everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how we can log out of our BitAmp account. To log out of BitAmp, first of all open a web browser and then make sure to type in bitamp.com in the URL box. Soon after you do that, you will end up in the homepage for BitAmp. If you are already logged into your BitAmp account and you'd like to log out of it quickly, all you need to do is to find the log out option, which will be appearing at the top right hand corner from your BitAmp website. But before logging out, make sure that you remember your private key or your seed phrases. If you don't know your private key or seed phrases, go to the account button at the top on the right corner, and this will open up your privacy information page. If you have previously signed up using seed phrases, you will be able to see your seed phrases on the page. If you previously signed up using private key, your private key should be visible on the page. To view your private key, simply click on this little box where it says click here to view private key or seed phrase, and you will then be able to see your private key, which you can click on this little copy button and copy it on your clipboard. Now that you have your private key, make sure you go ahead and paste it in a secure location. After you have your private key, you can simply click on the log out button at the top right corner to sign out of your BitAmp account. Next time, if you want to log in, you will need to select the same option that you chose while signing up for BitAmp and enter your private key or your seed phrases in the text box to get access to your account again. So that's how you easily log out of BitAmp account using the bitamp.com website on your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.